Hello, everybody. Let's make our maths class more fun and interesting. And a very good digital tool is available for all of you to use it freely. And that tool is nothing but GeoGebra tool. You can use this tool for elementary classes as well as middle school level. So let's quickly go to the site and see which are the resources available and how to use this tool. So go to your Google and type GeoGebra. The first site which you get, which is www.geogebra.org. That is the place where you need to go. Click on this. Now there are many options. I'll be just telling you some of the basic resources which are available freely in the GeoGebra tool. For that, you just come here and click on Classroom Resources. And you can see the featured resources over there are Illustrative Math Class 6 to 8, which is middle school, elementary school math 300 plus resources, middle and high school. Now, since I'm going to talk about the elementary school maths, I'm going to click on this one, the third one. Just click on this, and then you will see nursery, that is KG to class 2 math resources, as well as 3 to 5 math resources. So let me just take you to one or two places and tell you which are some of the resources that are available and how to use them. Just click here. Now you can see three options over here. One is numbers, the other one is operations, and the other one is measurement and data. So depending on what you want to do, and K2 is obviously the first one. Below this, you can see the table of contents over here. So many things are there. Let us take a simple example over here. Cats, cows, dogs, and horses. You know that children love to see these kind of activities and they would like to do also themselves. So in this activity, how many total animals are there? They have to count and they have to predict here. So we can easily count for them by doing with them in the class, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And how do you show the result? You just have to move the slider over here to the number 13. Let us take it to 13 and keep. And we'll click on the check button. See, it has got the answer correct. The children would love this. Now let's continue this. Are there more cats or cows? You can tell them to compare by seeing the number of cats and dogs, either by counting or by visualizing or by seeing it. Obviously, we see that there are more cows. So you can tell the children to check on this. See, it is wrong. It is giving the message, just try again. Now I know that I'll be doing the correct one. See, it is giving the message, you got it. They're asking how many more cats than cows are there. So we are going to compare the cows with the cats. So there are 3 more. So I'm going to check on 3 more, and that's how it works. Now, if you want to do some other thing, like comparing two whole numbers, you can click on this activity and type the first number and type the second number, and there you go, forward. So we get a number line with the hundreds, with the tens and ones value. So children can count this and they can know which are the tens and which are the ones over here. It's really interesting. You can try out all these options one by one to see how it works. So many options are there. Okay. And next we can go to operations. Under operations, certain templates are already there, as we saw in the first one. Say adding numbers to 20. If I click on this resource, I'm going to get something like this. See, single digit numbers are there. So it is asking 9 plus 3. Let the children count and let them tell you the answer. And you click on this, say it is giving a smiley here. It really gives the interest in the children to do more maths. And you can set a timer also to quickly tell them the answer. Then new task, if I click, I get a new number, say 8, 4 plus 8, it is asking, you can ask the children to count, see it is counting, like that. Again, you can continue. So next, we can go for other operations like addition up to 5 plus 5. See, till the number line is there, you can just try out these options one by one. And in measurement and data, we have clocks. These clocks are really amazing. So you can see the clock over here. So animated clock is there, analog clock is there. If you click on this, there's an activity. See, use the slider to change the time. And notice how the analog and digital clock are always showing the same time. Okay, so we can use the set timer. We can teach them the time. See, it is changing. Here also it is 3:30. There also it is 3:30. Then telling time from clocks. This is really amazing. You can try this. So here they say that check the boxes to show the time, the clock face, and the digital clock. So I can set the clock now by making plus. And they can tell, okay, you can stick it over here and let them tell the time. If you want to tell them the way of correctly telling in English, you can click on this time. It will say a quarter past 12. So in this way, and we can use the digital clock also to give them the concept of time. So in this way, use this GeoGebra tools, which is free of cost, and make your maths classes as interesting as possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.